Is he there already, Malik? All right. If he doesn't come yet, I'll look out for him. I'll see you soon. But Dad, we got to rip the spot, man. You shake on it. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Is he on his way now, or is he taking up?
Bro, forget about Steve. He's going back to the Toronto on the side of the road with tools to fix it. I don't know. Mel, look out for Mel.
Is he here?
He's on the way, or he already? I don't know. Maybe he came when we were.
No, I didn't see his car. So
Yeah, but we were inside for a lot of time.